everyone, how's your life? I hope all of us always in a good condition. On this video, I would like to explain about food and beverage. But first of all, let me to introduce myself. My name is Leony Agustin. You can call me Leony. I'm from 4B Tourism Business Management class. Alright, let's move to the first one. We talk about food. What is the definition of food in your opinion? Something that we can eat? Well, the definition of food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for organism. Food is usually of plant, animal, or fungal origin and contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, mineral, or water. And food has their classification. Do you know about it? Well, food can be classified into 6 categories. The first is food by the chemical nature. It is divided into carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, fats, dietary fiber, mineral, and water. And the second category is food by the function in the body. It is divided into 3. The first, energy-giving food. It provides energy for our body. The example like rice, potato, sugar, oil, butter, and bread. Second, bodybuilding foods. It helps our body to form our body tissues like our muscles and our bones. The example like fish, meat, chicken, egg, and milk. And the third is protective foods. It helps our body to protect from various diseases. The example like fruits and vegetables. And from these categories, we can know how important food for our body. It's why we must have to eat every day. Alright, next, the third category is food by the chemical properties. It is divided into 2, organic and inorganic. Nutrients that contain carbon element called organic nutrients. It's like lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamins. And nutrients that do not contain carbon elements called inorganic nutrients. It's like water and minerals. And next, the fourth category is food by the mass depending on the quantity necessary for cells and organisms. It's divided into 2, macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are food that we needed to consume in large quantities daily. It's like foods that contains of carbohydrates, vitamins, and fats. And micronutrients are food that we needed to consume in small quantities. It's like foods that contains of vitamins and minerals. And the fifth category, it's food by the origin. It's divided into 2, animal food sources and plant food sources. And the last category, it's food by the nutritive value. It is divided into cereals and millets, nuts and oilseeds, milk, fruits, vegetables, spices, condiments, and the others. Alright, that's about food. And now we talk about beverage. What is the definition of beverage? Well, beverage is a liquid to consume or any type of drink. It may include of coffee, tea, liquor, beer, milk, juice, or soft drink, but usually excluded of water. Maybe some of you are asking, why it's not included of water? It's because in simply, we can find water everywhere. And in ancient time, water in bottle had not been found yet. So until now, some people do not include water to the definition of beverage. And the purpose of beverage is to quench thirst, wash food down, or to feel refreshed. And is there any classification of beverage? Of course, yes. There are 2 categories of beverage, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. The first, alcoholic beverage are those beverages that contain 2% until 75% alcohol. It can be divided into 2. The first, fermented beverage like wine and beer. And the second, distilled beverage like rum, whiskey, vodka, tequila, brandy, and gin. And next, Non-alcoholic beverage are those beverages that do not contain any alcohol. It can be divided into three. The first, refreshing drink. It's like fresh lime soda, fresh lime water, squash, and syrup. Second, stimulating drink. It's like coffee and tea. And the third, nourishing drink. It's like juice and milk. Alright, that's all about my explanation of food and beverage. I hope this video can be useful for us, and thank you for your attention. See you on the next video and have a great day.